it's nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with Italian. Today guys, again, a lot of you ask about the stuff, the low calorie and the offal, and we're going to make today beef heart spaghetti, something absolutely delicious. Of course, you're going to ask your butcher some heart. This is a half beef heart. We're gonna have chili, is not obligatory if you like, some tomato puree, oregano, capers, some garlic, and some passata, tomato passata, salt and pepper. Okay, the water is already in the pot, is already on with salt in. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna make this just for a video. I make like one portion. Okay, and later you can put how much you like. Ask your butcher to give you the heart already trim and clean and stuff like that. Okay, cut a slice like this, or if you like thinner, and cut strips like that, very thin. We're gonna cook this in half a minute, in 1 minute, half minute. Okay, cut like that. You see? Gonna cook very easy. Okay? You're not gonna be precise. Cut this. When you find something you don't like, just trim it. Wash your finger. You know, I think this is more than what I need. Okay? And this guys, this pasta with heart is so quickly. Okay, what we do now? My beautiful wok we put on. The spaghetti already I can put in. This is 120 grams of spaghetti. Is already in. I chop some chili. Is enough. Okay, I like chili. And now the job is almost done. I'm gonna add, I forgot, some olives. This as well is not obligatory. If you like, you put it. If not, not put it. Now, in pan, a generous amount of olive oil, gas very strong. We're waiting 30 seconds, garlic start cooking a little bit. In 30 seconds I show you the next step. Okay guys, my garlic starts cooking. Now it's time to put the heart inside. We add our chili. Everything gonna be all together. The capers, olives, some oregano. Yeah. It's already the smell, guys. You don't believe it. Now leave to cook 1 minute like that, and we're gonna add some tomato puree like this. Add into dissolve the stuff. This basically is a pizzaiola sauce, and we make in Italy. Super nice. Look at the color, guys. It's something absolutely wow. We add 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Let's see how it works. Now guys, the sauce is ready because the heart is good. All cooked shortly or cooked long. The midway, the way on the middle is not good because later it's chewy. Okay, this heart, guys, is done. Turn it off. And we're waiting now when the spaghetti is ready. We're gonna be soon. You know how long? 10 minutes, everything is ready. See you soon. Okay guys, the pasta is al dente. Now what we're gonna do? Again on, adjust with salt and pepper. The garlic, if you don't like, take it out. Spaghetti off. And now we finish to cook there. Around another 1.5 2 minutes. Keep always the water. Guys, the smell, you don't believe. Because this needs to be cooked another in a little bit of water. And when water, we're gonna leave a little bit the water on the bottom to be, you know, juicy. Wow, look at that, guys. This is a masterpiece. 10 minutes, dinner is ready. And the best thing of this art liver or the offal, the whole animal, they is very, very low calorie. You know, I try to lose some weight, okay? That is my challenge. Okay, guys, the job is done. Pizzaiola pasta with beef heart is this. It's very nice. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, I know I said so many times just, because my partner told me many times it's gonna be super hot, but I'm gonna try. Guys, it's absolutely stunning, beautiful. Guys, the pasta, the beef heart pasta is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!